Yeah, Bari Imam is not just a shrine, it is a living symbol of Pakistan's spiritual heritage. For centuries, this sacred palace has welcomed people of all backgrounds, spreading the message of love, tolerance, and unity. In today's challenging times, Bari Imam reminds us that faith is about humanity, peace, and coexistence. From the Mughal era to modern Islamabad, the legacy of Bari Imam continues to guide hearts and strengthen our shared values. So let's watch a short movies about Bari Imam.
Chapter edit.
ये लो फिर कर ले लेना चाहता है ये ले समझ जा साहब लोडिंग